see what I say, get you a V8. Yeah, man, it's currently just crazy wet outside. Get y'all what it's like to drive a V8 in the rain. Well, just look at all that coming from the exhaust, bro. Handle's actually really nice, bro, you know what I'm saying? Once you actually get the feel for it, it's really just like what you do gotta be careful, cause that back end, the back end on these Mustangs, bro, they really just wanna fishtail you, you know what I mean? They really just wanna just spin out on you, so you really gotta that motherfucker. Once we get around these turns and around the bottom head again. Took this bad boy on a road trip to Atlanta the other day, boy. I'll be giving a video on to how that went as well in this car, because I never even took a road trip like that in the Infinity, so it was different. Is that another Mustang? This is stock exhaust, bro. So like, this is just stock, gang. I'm excited to hear what my new exhaust is gonna sound like. I don't know if I'm just gonna, excuse me. I don't know if I'm just gonna go ahead and delete the mid resonator and the mufflers and straight pipe it, just full straight pipe it. I don't know if I want to go with the X bike. I'm not doing X, or if I'm gonna do the double helix Corsa extreme catback. Y'all let me know in the description what I should do. But